All right, welcome everyone. We're going to do a home improvement section on window screen replacement. It's one of the easiest things to do if you have the right tools. My name is Tracy, and I'm here at the Tool Loan Center in Milwaukee, Wisconsin. And we are setting in place to replace a window screen at a homeowner's home. So the most important tool for this is this spline and this remover. This end will be used to remove the spline. This end will be used to install the spline. And when it comes to screen replacement, we have an old screen and we have a new screen here. So we're just going to tell you the simple basics for time's sake. It is very, very important that you have your screen on a solid surface, a flat surface, and then you remove the spline. There's going to be a start point. So you start at the start point. Now this one is already removed, just so you know, but you start removing the spline with this side here, and you're just going to peel it out at the start point so it all comes all the way out. Now I've removed this spline, so we're not going to worry about this, and this old screen is the old window screen to the window. So what we're going to do is locate the new window screen here, is what we have, and you're going to line it up. You're going to line it up with the window, and you always want to cut it a little bit larger than your actual window frame. All right, and when you start, my starting point is going to be at the corner. And the reason why is because I'm using the old spline. If you got new spline, you can start wherever you want. But I want this to line up with the original window screen that was in there. So I'm going to start in the corner. It just makes my life a little bit easier when I go to put it in. And then what you want to do is press the window spline inside the crease that's inside the window. You want to make sure it's in there deep, because this is what's going to hold your screen in place. You just press the window screen in there, press it down, press it down. And like I say, this is also the removal tool, but once you get it in there a ways, you're going to use the roller end. The roller end is made to roll the spline in place. So you place it on top and you roll. You're going to have to put some pressure on it too, just so you know. And you push it in place like so. And once you start doing it, it goes really smooth. But yeah, I'm just giving you the starter. So when you go to replace your screen, you can roll it in place. And you see how that's in there? How that spline is in there and it's holding that screen in place. And what you're going to do is go all around the entire window screen doing the same method. You might have to push it in on occasion, but your roller is what you're going to use to get that in there.